Hi everyone, welcome back to Kane's Kitchen. Today we are making delicious chicken and cabbage stir fry. Juicy tender chicken, perfectly stir fried cabbage, and simple quick savory sauce. Let me show you how to make it. Let's start by preparing the chicken. I'm using chicken breast here. You can go with chicken thigh if you prefer. Thinly slice the chicken and marinate it with soy sauce, sesame oil, cornstarch, and a little bit of baking soda. Mix it well and set it aside for at least 15 minutes. This will help keep the chicken juicy and tender when we cook it. Now let's prepare our vegetables. Roughly chop the cabbage into bite-sized pieces. Thinly slice white pot of spring onions and cut the green part into 2-inch pieces. Keep them separate. Mince up 3 cloves of garlic for the garlicky aroma. In a small bowl, mix cornstarch with a little bit of water to make a slurry that will help thicken the sauce at the end. Heat some oil in a pan over medium-high heat. First, toss in the cabbage, stir fry for about a minute. Remove it from the pan and set it aside for now. Add a little bit more oil in the same pan and bring the heat to medium-high. Lay in the chicken slices in a single layer and let them sear for a few minutes. Add minced garlic, add white pot of spring onions. Stir fry everything together for another 2 to 3 minutes until the chicken is about 80% cooked through. Now season the dish with regular soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a little bit of Shao Xing cooking wine. Now return the cabbage back to the pan, add cornstarch slurry and a green pot of spring onions. Mix everything well and stir fry until everything is combined and the sauce is thickened and glossy. Finally, turn off the heat and add a drizzle of sesame oil on top. And there you go, chicken stir fry with cabbage is done. This recipe is light, healthy, and so good with a bowl of steamed rice. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe our channel. Let me know in the comment what recipe you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.